welcome back to my channel. My name is Trang and I love to sew. And the other day I was thinking about getting this pink baby doll dress, and I thought maybe I could make that because it looks pretty cute and I really want a dress like that, so why not try to sew it? So today I'm going to do exactly that with my pink fabric here, and I'm so excited. And this project is, I feel like, going to be so cute. So I have my sewing table here and my red string, my little red bobbin, my trusty dusty Dreader JX2517 sewing machine, and my table, and let's just get started. So first, I'm going to lay my fabric on my table, making sure it's super flat. And then I'm going to take a shirt that I already have that fits me very loosely, and I'm going to lay on the fabric and cut two outlines of it. This is the two layers of shirt. On one layer, the neckline is a little bit bigger than the one in the back, and this will be the front and this will be the back. And I'm just going to sew the shoulders and the sides together, and then I'm going to hem the collar of the shirt. It is a little wrinkly, but I've been storing this in like a tote bag for a couple months now, but I do love the wrinkly aesthetic. It does remind me of Urban Outfitters, and I do love that so much. Since I don't have pink string, I'm going to use red string, and I do love my red string. Shout out if you saw my last video where I had to change the color of my string, and I couldn't change it to the color it had to be, so I chose red, and it did turn out really cute, so I'm really glad. And I'm going to try to do the same thing today with the color block theme. So then I'm just going to hem the collar and the sleeves of my shirt by folding it over 1 centimeter, like so, and just sewing where the fabric overlaps. So I am using a bed sheet for my project, and usually I think to make a baby doll dress you need elastic to pull the skirt together, but since I already have this elastic thing on my bedsheet, I'm just going to skip that step, and I'm going to cut out a skirt pattern from my bedsheet. I have my little skirt pattern right here, and I'm going to sew the sides to connect them and to make it an actual skirt. And as you can see, it's super stretchy, so there's going to be a lot of ruffles. So now I have the skirt, and it's about the same width as the width of the bottom of my top, and I'm just going to sew the two together. And while sewing, I'm not going to stretch the skirt at all. I'm going to let the ruffles stay in place and be connected as they are in the final product. I accidentally sewed it the wrong way, and now one of the outside stitches is on the outside, but I'm gonna fix that. I'm just gonna cut this part and then sew it the other side. I am going to cut the elastic part out since we don't need it anymore, and the bottom fabric that's not the elastic is already attached to the skirt, so its use is already complete. So now I'm going to cut the bottom of the dress. It's not hemmed yet and it's not even, so I'm going to make it even and make it super short to make it into a baby doll dress. So now I have cut my skirt. I'm just going to hem it by folding it over and sewing where the fabric overlaps. Yay, I am done this project, and I'm super excited for you guys to see me wear this dress. And please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and please try to make this at home, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. I am so happy that you are watching my channel, and have the best day ever.